So hello guys, welcome back with another video in Electronic Studio. So today we are going to learn how to use a DHT11 temperature sensor with the help of Arduino Uno board. So this sensor can able to detect the humidity and temperature data. So first I have to go in my code. This is my read DHT11 code. I created this guys. So you can see in this code what I did. So now it is open guys. With the help of this code, we can able to receive the temperature and our humidity. So guys, for this temperature, some accuracy is also there, means minimum and maximum how much it can detect the temperature. So say guys, for this data sheet I will put in my GitHub page. There you can refer this everything about regarding this sensor and library also I will put in my GitHub page. There you can access. So here I am using one DHT11 library, and it will detect these things guys. And here I want to show you my connections, what connection we have to make with the DHT11 and Arduino board. These are the connections guys. So let's go to the guys for uploading the code. First I have to we have to go to this one example code in one library is there. We have to add this library DHT11 library. In this code, in this library also you will get the multiple types of the code. I opened this read DHT11 code, so you will get also this code. I will share this library in GitHub page. So guys, first I have to go in tool and I have to select the board, Arduino Uno. Then I have to go to tool again. Then I have to select comport. Then upload the code. If after uploading code, guys, I am able to receive the data. This temperature and humidity. Temperature is a it is showing now 33. In starting it was showing guys wrong 55. It is wrong, so we have to consider the temperature 30. It is showing continuously, and humidity also it is showing 54. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.